We're gonna go outside. Wait, what? There was a big storm last night, and see that over there? Yeah. See that? Look at that big spot. Wait. There we go. This spot. See that? See that spot? Right there. That's scary. And my stuff fell. And yeah. See over there? See that thing? And my thing. So this is where we live. Northfield Lane. This house. And we literally found some boxes flew around. And see how they were the dangerous like that was just me. That was making an earthquake. Look at this pool. Water. And say, wait. Wait, look, there's a dog poop. And so like and subscribe if you know what happened. If you live Northfields Lane, I'll take you.